Hi everybody, welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies. Today we're going to do the unboxing of the kit you all chose. Close poll. I put a poll on Facebook to see which one everybody would like to see me build, and this one came out on top by 2 votes. And I'll be honest, the wife did not vote, so this is as fair as it got. Let's open this up. This is fresh out of the UPS delivery man's hands. Can't wait to see what's in here. I did the Firebird, really liked it. So it was either the GTX or the Camaro, and the GTX won out. Let's pull all this out of the box. You know, we'll just do an unboxing right here. Let's start out with the top, the body. Camaros, classic body lines. Always liked them. I had a Firebird way back 35 years ago now. But I always did like the old Camaro body. Nice vents. Good detail on here. Molded in windshield wipers, vents, door handles. Little tiny door locks on there. Markers. Front end is all one piece. Looks like a little bit of flash in there, but nothing we can't handle, and that come right off. The mold lines are really shallow in this. I think they ran the mold line, there it is right there, and then down the back. So it came here, up around where the door line is, and I can't tell where it went from there. Right down here. Follow the door right there, right on the door panel. This will be easy to get ready to paint. Looks like it's sitting flat, ready to right into the paint booth. Next one up is the glass. I'm going to leave it in there. Looks good, not scratched. Headlights, taillights. Beautiful windshield washer. I'm still not sold on the clear glass windshield washers or not. The old dog dish hub caps. Those and the Steelies. That might be what we do this time. We'll have to see. Oh, here comes the big bag. I'm going to set that down because I see tires in our future. Nice. No name tires. Decent looking. Snip that off, and I'll show you. I'm going to make a video on how I do these on the drill, and detail them up with a little bit of pastel and everything to make them dirty. But right now those are nice, and I'm going to pull the chrome out because everybody loves to see the shiny bits first. We'll drop this back in the box. Let's see how this chrome is. The chrome on my Revell, or on my Nova, I'm sorry, was put on poorly, and I had to use my chrome pen quite a bit because the chrome on it just rubbed right off. Look at there, big old honking SS with these headlights. Not a fan of this. If they offer the other grill in here, which I'm pretty sure they do, I'll probably use it. Nice, small. We got the chrome carburetors. Those are going to go into the simple green. This is all looking nice. Huh. Hood pins. Mirrors. I think ours is just going to use the single mirror here. One piece too. That'll be nice to put on at the end. Yeah. Air cleaner cover. We'll paint that up, and I'll do a video on how I do my engine again. A little bit shorter video than the 54-minute one that I got carried away with last time. Let's open up the big bag of plastic. Oh man. Is it just me, or is everybody this way where it's like Christmas morning when you open up your bag? Okay, make sure there's nothing left in there. Sometimes it'll fall off the sprue, and you don't want that to end up in the trash can. First thing I'm seeing out of this pile of white is rear taillights. And there's 2 of them for some reason. Oh, I see. These ones have a little bit of raised and they're kind of flattish, where these are a little bit raised, but they have some lines in them. I'm not sure if the camera is going to pick that up. We'll see which ones they ask us to use, and then we'll see which ones we decide on using. All right, next, the hood. Nice detail inside. Those are deepest pin marks I've seen. If that's what they are, I don't think there's anything that's going to attach in there. So we'll have to fill them, texture it, and then we'll do the texture paint again on all of them. We've got our firewall. Lots and lots of detail on the firewall to paint. Love doing detail work. Radiator cover, springs. Look at the door panels. Nice. You know what? That sticks up enough to where we should be able to get our silver pen in there and make that look real nice. Handles, opener. I can't remember. Somebody let me know in the comments if this had a little chrome line in it right here too. I cannot remember. Next on is we got the steelies. We got the wheel backs. Nice detail. Like I said, I'm not sure which way I'm going to go. Let's go back to the chrome here real quick. It does. It has the rallies. I still think I'm going to go steelies and dog bowl. All right, next, nice headers. They got indicator pins to put them together, so it shouldn't be that difficult of a task. Heads look good and clean. Nice thin belt. Fan. Good looking steering wheel. Nice detail in there. Nice intake. Water pump. Big old honking engine. Nice looking transmission. Good detail in there. I'm going to do a video on how I do my weathering on my engine before I do everything else. That'll be a quick one, but it'll look good. Radiator hoses. Built-in clamps. I could do a video on how I do my radiator hoses if anybody's interested. That'd be a quick one. Next, sprue body tub. This is cool because it's just a tub, but these are flattened out, so you don't have to get your paintbrush in here and try to figure out how to do that door line trim. You would do it on the sprue, take it, cut it off, slide it on there, easy peasy, looking good. Let's check this dash out. Nice. I love the old square. I think those used to be green in color too, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, that's small enough in there where I might be able to get my chrome pen in, or my silver pen in, and highlight and do some nice detail work. If I'm not correct, send me a message in the box down below. I think this had some wood grain in here. I'll check online too, but I'm pretty sure. Nice radiator, lower front end, rear end, sway bar, drive shaft and springs. Nice. Seat backs. This is going to come out to be a pretty decent model. Yes, sir. Underside looks good. High detail on these brake lines. Let's see, we got fuel line running back all the way back to the pump, or to the fuel tank too. They got that hidden in there. Sometimes that can be tough to get out. This is heavy sprue. Good detailing though, very good detailing. I'll do a video on how I dry brush this too, and kind of give it a little weathering, because I don't care how good you are at building a hot rod, take it to a hot rod shows, show it off all day long. You still got to drive there. And if you're not just taking them on a trailer, this is not going to be clean. It's going to get dirt on it. Trust me. My Firebird showed that often. Nice seats. Maybe we'll do a white, black outside, white inside. Maybe. We'll see. Haven't done a white interior. This kit, I'm planning on doing gold. So would you rather see black interior or a white with black trim interior with the gold? Let me know in the comments down below. Nice engine. Nice steering box. That sure looks like the front end where the hood latch. Distributor. Brakes. Starter. Wheel backs. Look at here. We are going to be using this grill. The SS grill, I just don't care for those flip-up lights. And it's just me. I mean, I'm not saying they're ugly. I'm not saying they're not. It's just I've seen so many of them like this. where they wink at you. Nice back end. Nice exhaust. Looking good. Nice flip. This is a really, really nice kit. Let's see what we got in here. Revell's detail or instructions are always really nice, but I like to go like this, and there it is. This is what everybody wants to dig into first. The decals. Oh yeah, lots and lots of them. Oh, look at here. Highlight the steering wheel, gauges, Camaro, more gauges, 420. Oh, what do we got? Engine. The vents, we have SS's. This is going to be an RS, so we won't be using them. 396. Oh, look at here. Should I do a video on how I do the decals on the tires? We'll see. Black and white with the gold. A little bit of camera error there. Anyhow, I'm going to be doing the black trim. Next thing we'll look at real quick, because I think my camera's dying, is the instructions. Revell's instructions are second to none. They are awesome. Anyhow, I can't, well, that is an SS with that front end. So we will be using those decals. Anyhow, I am Mark. This is Grandpa Mark's Hobbies. If you like what you see, thumbs up please. Hit the subscribe, ring the bell, and have a great weekend. I will see you with the next video. Thanks for watching.